A powerful 7.9 magnitude earthquake has struck Myanmar, sending shockwaves across Southeast Asia. Buildings swayed, panic spread, and tremors were felt as far as Thailand, India, and China. But what exactly happened? How dangerous is the situation? Stay tuned as we break it all down for you. At exactly 12:50 p.m. local time, the earth shook violently in central Myanmar. The epicenter, just 16 kilometers northwest of Sagaing, at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Experts say this shallow depth makes the tremors even more intense and destructive. In Myanmar's capital, Naypyidaw, and nearby cities, roads buckled and buildings cracked. Reports indicate that some structures partially collapsed, injuring people inside. Authorities are still assessing the full extent of the damage, but the situation is dire. But Myanmar wasn't the only country affected. The tremors reached Thailand, causing chaos in Bangkok. High-rise buildings swayed, metro services were briefly halted, and a construction site in the Chatuchak district collapsed, trapping workers inside. Fortunately, they were rescued in time. Even in India, including the Delhi NCR region, people rushed out of their homes, fearing the worst. In China's Yunnan province, residents reported strong shaking as well. To understand this better, let's hear from Dr. Michael Tan, a seismologist who has been studying earthquakes in the region. He said, "This region sits on multiple fault lines. Today's earthquake likely occurred due to a slip along the Sagaing fault, which is known for its seismic activity. The shallow depth intensified the shaking, which is why it was felt so far and wide." Emergency services are now working round the clock. Search and rescue operations are ongoing in Myanmar and Thailand. Authorities are urging residents to stay cautious, as aftershocks are likely to follow. So, what should you do if you experience an earthquake? Here are some essential safety tips. Drop, cover, and hold on. Stay away from windows and heavy objects. If you're outside, move to an open space away from buildings. Be prepared for aftershocks. This is a developing story, and we'll keep you updated with the latest. Our thoughts are with those affected by this disaster. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global events.